In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a Bitget account using the mobile app. First, download the Bitget app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it, then tap Sign Up or Register on the welcome screen. Now choose how you want to create your account, email or phone number. Enter your email or mobile number, then create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If you have a referral code, you can add it here before continuing. Bitget will send you a verification code by email or SMS. Open the message, copy the code, and enter it in the Bitget app to confirm you own that email or phone number. Once your account is created, tap your profile icon and go to Security to protect your account. Turn on Google Authenticator for 2FA and set up any extra options like an anti-phishing code. Finally, if you plan to withdraw larger amounts, go to Identity Verification and complete KYC by uploading your ID and a quick selfie. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.